It's fall baking season, and these bars do not disappoint.
Shortbread, cream cheese filling with apples and streusel topping.
Oh, made even better when topped with some homemade caramel sauce.
Oh, you will fall in love with these after the first bite.
Falling for sure.
Fall bacon. Fall bacon.
Falling for it. And so I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
Falling in love with these bars, Loon.
Yes.
Get it? It's fall.
Yes.
So we're
Well,
making.
how about I just fall?
Well, that happens from time to time. So this is layers and layers of yumminess. It's such a hit every time we make it. So
And the first layer is this delicious crust.
this is a shortbread crust. You can do this well in advance, like a day or two in advance. So let me tell you how we did this. It's so good. You're going to use a couple of tools here. So I pulled out my food processor, and in that I put a cup of pecan halves, and then I put a half a cup of light brown sugar. You could use dark brown if you like, but whatever you got. And then you just pulverize it until it's completely pulverized and very fine. Now we're going to move over to our trusty stand mixer. You can also use a hand mixer as well. In the bowl, we're going to add 2 sticks. That's 2 sticks of unsalted, softened butter. Butter, baby, butter. We're going to butter you up. And to that, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we are going to add our pecan sugar mixture. And then I've got my paddle attachment, and I'm going to cream that. Basically, just whip it on medium speed for about 2 minutes. About halfway through, I'm going to lift it up and get a spatula and scooch down those sides, and then continue to cream it until it's fully combined together. Then we're going to raise the paddle out, and we're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add 2 1/4 cups gradually of all-purpose flour, and just keep adding that in until it gets fully incorporated. And it's not going to make like a runny batter. It should all come together.
Yeah, it's kind of sandy.
It's kind of it should come together.
It still feels like a pecan sandy.
Yeah, like a pecan sandy. So now we're going to get our 9x13 baking dish, and you want to grease it. You can use cooking spray. I like to use
butter. Use more butter.
We're doing this good buttery. Butter is better. And so I just get a paper towel and I just smear it all around. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. And then this is fun. You get your hands, you get your kids to help, and you just start pressing that shortbread batter into the base of the dish. And then we're going to stick that into a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and it's only going to go for about 15 minutes. If you wanted to, you could chill it before you
you poke some holes in it too.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, yeah. Just so it's because it does poof a little bit. The steam gets in there, so I get a fork. Thank you, and
yes,
poke it around there a little bit. And
don't
then
forget to fork it.
Yeah, that's right.
And then you shoved it in there.
And then I shoved it in there, and I baked it for 15 minutes, and then I pulled it out, and you want to let it cool for at least 30 minutes before you proceed.
Oh, this is ready for something.
It is ready. It is ready for layers. So now we are ready to proceed.
Yes, I'm going to get ready with these apples.
Okay, I'm going to put your apples right here.
Thank you.
Yum.
So the apples are so good because we're going to put some. First of all, let me step back. We've peeled them, and then we cored them, and then we chopped them up into these cute little pieces.
What kind of apples are they?
Those are Granny Smith apples.
You can use
What is this, a quiz?
Whatever your favorite is, but Granny Smith works great.
And then we chopped them up into little pieces. And so I'm going to add 2 half teaspoons of allspice and ground nutmeg, and then I put a teaspoon of cinnamon there. So I'm going to throw that in there.
Half a teaspoon, just not 2 it's a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of the allspice, and then a teaspoon of the cinnamon.
Thanks
just to be clear.
All right. And then I've got 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of this. This should be a tablespoon, or a teaspoon, but I'm going to eyeball it. I like to do a tablespoon. Then some lemon.
That's you're going to use about a teaspoon, which is just.
There we go.
I can only get tiny lemons at the store for some reason.
And I'm just going to
forget your zest.
Oh, the zest. That's right. The zest of half
life,
a lemon.
The zest of life.
Right? Half a lemon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's about a teaspoon, which is what you want.
All right. And then I'm just going to get this all coated.
Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm going to get going on our cream cheese filling. So I've got 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Go with good quality, and I let them sit out. You want them to be at room temperature. And then we are going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. These are sweet bars, but they are delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. And then we've got 2 large eggs that we're going to put in there. I also
wow, these apples smell amazing.
I know, I love it. It's quintessential fall baking.
Yes.
I also am going to do about a teaspoon. I'm not going to do a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then I also there's some recurring flavors in these layers, which is good. We're going to do about a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and I'm going to put in also, like Wesley, a teaspoon of lemon zest. That's about half of a lemon. Okay, now I'm going to do this on medium speed for a couple minutes until it's fully combined and just nice and creamy and ready to spread.
Yeah, all right.
Look at you. You're moving on.
I'm moving right
Those
along.
apples do look so good.
Oh, those are so good. All right, so now we're going to make a little crumble top.
Streusel
A
topping.
streusel crumble
I think
top.
this is my favorite part of
It's
the whole
so
of the bars.
good. So we got a cup. I got a cup of oats here.
Old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned oats, a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, a cup of, why am I talking like that? A cup of flour.
Because that's the way we all love it.
Then we have some toffee bits. I love these.
Me
I
too.
just want to.
I know
We've got a half a cup of those. And then we have a half a cup of pecans, which we roughly chopped.
Yeah, chop them.
Yeah, and I'm just going to mix that up just a
You
little
want
bit.
a half a teaspoon of salt.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Can't forget the salt.
Can't forget it.
Okay. How are you doing over there?
I'm good. I'm good.
All
Can you
right.
see that? That look
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep me away from
good.
that.
I know. Every layer of this is like, what?
Chris, I'm kind of getting my hands in here
That's
with
good.
this too.
That's good.
And then I'm going to fold in all of this
Yumminess.
butter.
Oh, the butter. More butter. Butter for you.
Should I fold in parts and then just like do a couple
just
and then, or just dump it all in there?
Dump it all in there, and then just you're not like what I did the butter over here. I creamed it with the sugar. You're not doing that. It's gonna make this wonderful like streusel topping. It should be kind of lumpy with the butter, and
I always like laugh when I hear the word. You got to fold that in.
I know.
I don't know if you all. I've seen this show called Schitt's Creek, and he's like, "How do you fold? Is it like an envelope?"
no, you just fold it in.
Yes.
Okay, you have fun with that.
Yes.
And then we're going to clear all this.
We're gonna clean this
Clear it
up.
up, and then we're going to layer these bars.
Yeah.
Okay, it is time to.
Let's make it.
Smells like fall. I just love it. So I'm just gonna dump this right in here. All of these components can also be made in advance, or you can just, you can make this whole dessert in advance, which is probably easier than doing the components and then bringing it all together
Wow.
later. But anyway, doesn't that look good? I took a little.
A little taste
had
test.
a little taste test. I think of every layer, and it's just I can't decide which is my favorite. It's so.
Don't skimp over here.
I know. Well,
You got a lot over here.
equal distribution
I know. Of the wealth. There we go.
yeah. Of the cream cheese.
Yes. Get a little over here. Scooch that over. There you go.
I love the Loon coaching. What would I do without it?
All right.
Okay.
You ready for the apples?
I am ready for the.
Just dump
You're
them.
the apple
Here,
of my eye.
I'll do some spooning of them.
Okay, you can just dump them in there.
I don't want them to. Oh, is that okay if I get the juice on
Yeah.
there? Okay, here, then you do it.
Okay.
I don't want to ruin it.
You're not going to ruin it. I mean, it's meant to be kind of just, haphazard.
Yum!
It's okay. I know. Doesn't that look great? I'm so excited. This is so great. And these are great for serving, during the holidays, anytime that you've got guests coming over, because it makes a decent amount. They make great gifts, too.
Put them. Oh yes, that'd be cute. Once you let them get a little cold.
Oh, yeah.
Wrap them up in some. Oh, that's fun.
And this is good. Isn't this good looking?
All right.
Okay, now
let's do this.
we're going to tag team on this. And those chunks of butter will melt, and you'll get it all crunchy and crispy.
Ooh.
I know.
Now, do you think this will taste good?
I don't.
You haven't made it in a few years.
In a long time, I know. And I usually, whenever we're bringing back old recipes, I do like some playing around and testing with it. I didn't do that this time.
Yeah. So cross your fingers, folks.
And you're going to get to experience it with me. I was just telling Wesley before as we were cleaning up. It's the first slice thing again. I just know it's gonna
stop.
It's gonna be a disaster.
No.
I can already tell. But we're all close family,
Yes.
right? So no one's gonna judge.
And so many people have made this and said it's wonderful. So.
Oh, I know. I know it's gonna be delicious.
Yes.
Getting the beautiful cut is difficult. Okay, it's also 75 pounds heavy. All right, here we go. I've got my. I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. It's only going to go for about 25 minutes until it sets, and then it's got to cool. We're getting close.
Don't fall over.
I won't. Oh, it smells like fall.
It does.
Oh, look at that.
Yes.
I gotta
Ooh, be careful. That's heavy.
I know it is. And it doesn't have handles.
Handles, no handles.
Oh, boy. Is that not beautiful? And you can tell it just stars and garters. It's set, so you want to let it go, and you can eyeball it. I let it go 30 minutes. I said 25, but 30 is better. And so, wow, look at that.
I will.
The smell is. So we got to let it rest. I know. That's a bummer.
With this one.
We do need to, and we probably are going to dig into it sooner than we should, which can be my excuse if I don't get a very good slice out of it.
There you
but
go.
we're going to let this cool for a little bit, and then we're going to make some caramel, and then have the time of our lives.
Yeah.
Okay, it's probably not time, but the Loon can't wait. So the Loon thinks has mastered the process of
Watch
slicing.
out.
So he likes to get a spatula. There you go. That looks good.
That's
Okay.
not stuck at all. That's
Okay, good.
All
Now
right.
we're
It's gonna
probably
be a little runny.
We cut. Well, it shouldn't be runny, but and we're gonna do the old like we say, when you're cutting the first slice, do that sort of as a cheater one. Don't let people see
All
it,
right,
so you
there's your
can.
cheater
so
one.
you can. Well, you want to go ahead and do. All right.
Here, I'll do another one over here just to be on the safe side. Oh, we are getting in here.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold on.
So do the cheater side. I'm going to get the cheater one out, and we'll just put that on my plate.
Yes.
I'll take one for the team. I'm going to go this way.
Oh, okay.
I know. I
Just
ruined
everybody was
every-
looking for it, so there it goes.
Wow, that looks good.
Oh, yum.
Okay.
Hold on. There we go.
Okay. So now this is definitely good and soft.
Bring it on
so
over.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we could have let these get a little harder.
We put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. But
That's good.
yeah. Now
All
I'm
right.
gonna give you this. You
Yes.
don't need this caramel sauce, but our theory is, why not? And that looks
Just
great.
a little drizzle just around the front there. There we go.
Yum.
You guys.
We have the recipe for this homemade caramel sauce. It's easy
Yes.
on the blog.
All right,
so-
I'm going to go ahead and ruin this now.
Yeah, go for it. They're meant to be messy.
Wow, you guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's definitely still warm.
If you let these sit in the fridge overnight,
they'll slice up
Yeah,
perfectly,
so
and
they'll be-
they're delicious chilled too. Are we ready? I am so
I'm
ready. Oh my gosh! The second it hits your tongue, your taste buds are like, "Whoa!"
That is delicious.
That is about as comforting as you're gonna find.
Wow.
It just makes you want
Wow.
to put on a
Talk about fall baking.
put on a turtleneck, go out and do a little apple picking, get some apple cider, and then come in and dig into this.
That's a lovely picture. Wow, y'all. We gotta put that
Step
back.
away.
Yum, this is 10,000% Loon approved.
Yes! Oh my
Wow. Yeah, you definitely, it's good without, you don't even need that.
God. Well, I
I know,
love
you like to
caramel
throw it over
sauce.
the
So
top.
you guys, happy fall. We hope you're enjoying the cooler weather. And if you don't have cooler weather, if you're watching this and it's not cool, this is good any time of the year. You're
Yum.
going to fall in love with it. All right, bye, everybody. We love you.